Hi, I'm Mrs. Hargrove, and I am the Interim Principal at Vandora Springs Elementary. And I am joined today by Miss Moore-Kerr, who is the proud Assistant Principal at Vandora Springs Elementary. We are very excited to take you on a video tour of our beautiful new facility.
Before you enter our building, you will be asked to stop by our A phone to identify yourself and the reason why you're visiting us today.
Hello.
I'm Shania Lugo. I'm here to register my child.
Okay, if you'll hold just a minute, I'll let you in. Thank you.
Thank you.
Once you're buzzed into the building, all visitors must stop by the front office to sign in.
Welcome to one of our wonderful collaborative spaces for learning. We have beautiful wood ceilings that are an interesting feature. We have a wonderful outdoor seating area for collaboration. And here, down on our kindergarten hallway, we also have opportunities for children to come and work in small groups, sit on the mushrooms, or be instructed by a teacher at a small table. We also have the TVs here that are interactive, so we'll be able to have lots of wonderful learning going on in this beautiful new school.
Hello, I'm Melanie Matthews, the Media Specialist at Vandora Springs. Welcome to our brand new, beautiful Media Center. We have lots and lots of new books, so finish what you're reading that you checked out for the summer because you are going to want to come to the library immediately. We have brand new Katie Wu books, brand new Hardy Boys mysteries, Nancy Drew and the Clue Crew, Dogman, lots of Dogman books, and new Magic Treehouse books. I can't wait to see you soon.
Hello, my name is Mr. Greco. I'm a fourth grade teacher here at Vandora Springs. We're in our new building, and we're just going to show you some of the cool stuff we have. Right now we're standing in the commons area for the fourth grade. All grade levels have something very similar. It has flexible seating, as you can see. Students can come out here and work in their small groups. It's also accessible from all the different teachers' rooms around me, and that way we can allow kids from different rooms to come out and work together as well and collaborate. If we go this way, we can go into my classroom. We're actually going to walk through the wall. The wall is a sliding glass window basically, and the students can actually write straight here on the window. So math groups could come over, work out problems, things like this. The wall obviously closes as well. And then as we come inside, a lot like the commons area, again it's flexible seating, everything's movable, chairs, tables. We have kidney tables we can use for small groups that are movable, with the stools for students to sit on as well, flexible seating. Up towards the front, we have our TV. This is able to connect to my computer. Everything from the computer can be shown up here, used for lessons, videos, all that kind of stuff, so we can incorporate technology.
So this is our unique play structure for our new Vandora Springs. This will be the main playground for the older children. So when we come out here, it's very similar to Bryan Road in the old Vandora Springs from what we had. We have a lot of cool things on here that you can play with and things you could climb on, swing on. It's going to be great. Along with our play structure, we also have the track, similar to how we had at the other school. And behind us, whenever you go around the track, we have our big field. This is where we'll have all of our soccer and your football games that you like to play. We'll eventually have our field day out here. So it's going to be a really great place for some good fun, collaboration, some good work and teamwork.
The original Vandora Springs Elementary School was built in 1959. That's about 60 years ago. It was renovated in 1980, and our construction on this beautiful new building started in 2017. We were able to bring some of the old history from our original Vandora Springs Elementary School to our modern new building. I'm standing on the brick pavers, and I'll read one of them. Lisa Icy Teacher of the Year 2006. This was in the front of our new building, but we're able to now incorporate to our outside picnic area of this new updated space. Mrs. Hargrove is holding the original bell from our original Vandora Springs Elementary School building. We were also able to incorporate that into our new space. It will be housed in our trophy case.
Once again, thank you for taking this tour with us. We are so excited about the school that Wake County has built here on the campus of the old Vandora Springs and has made such a beautiful learning space for us at the new Vandora Springs Elementary. We look forward to seeing students here on August the 23rd for Meet the Teacher, and then for the first day of school on August the 27th. Thank you.